Have you ever had a big fight with your brother or sister? Imagine being born just a few minutes apart and still growing up to be totally different. This is the story of two brothers, Jacob and Esau. One loved hunting, the other loved staying near home, but one day, everything changed. There was a stew, a trick, and a blessing that would change their lives forever. Get ready for an adventure filled with choices, consequences, and a big plan from God. In the land of Canaan, Isaac, son of Abraham, and his wife Rebekah longed for children. After many years, God answered their prayers. But something was unusual. The two babies struggled inside her womb. Concerned, Rebekah prayed to the Lord, and he spoke to her. "Two nations are in your womb. Two peoples shall be separated from within you. One will be stronger than the other, and the older shall serve the younger." The twins were born, just as God had said. The first, Esau, was red and covered in thick hair. The second, Jacob, emerged grasping Esau's heel, as if trying to overtake him. As they grew, their differences became clear. Esau was a skilled hunter, favored by his father, while Jacob preferred to stay close to the tents, learning the ways of wisdom. Their parents had chosen their favorites. One day, Esau returned from the fields, exhausted and starving. He saw Jacob cooking a rich, steaming pot of lentil stew.
"Give me some of that stew. I am starving."
Jacob saw an opportunity.
"First, sell me your birthright."
"What good is a birthright if I die of hunger?" "Fine, take it." With that, Esau swore an oath and sold his God-given inheritance for a simple meal.
Years later, Isaac grew old and blind. Knowing his time was near, he called for Esau.
"My son, go hunt game for me and prepare my favorite meal, that I may bless you before I die."
But Rebekah overheard and rushed to Jacob.
"Your father is about to bless Esau. You must take the blessing instead, as God intended."
Jacob hesitated, but Rebekah had a plan. She dressed him in Esau's best garments, covered his smooth skin with goat hair, and prepared a meal just as Isaac liked. Jacob approached his father, his heart pounding.
"I am Esau, your firstborn. Eat, so you may bless me." Isaac was suspicious. The voice sounded like Jacob, but when he felt the goat hair-covered arms, he was convinced. Then, Isaac blessed Jacob, passing on God's promise for generations to come.
Just as Jacob left, Esau returned, bringing his meal. When Isaac realized the deception, he trembled.
"Who was it that I blessed?" Esau cried out in anguish.
"Father, bless me too."
But it was too late. Esau wept bitterly, and then his sorrow turned to rage.
"When our father dies, I will kill Jacob."
Rebekah warned Jacob and sent him away to her brother Laban in Haran. As Jacob fled into the wilderness, night fell. That night, he dreamed of a ladder reaching heaven, with angels ascending and descending. And God spoke, "I am the Lord, the God of Abraham and Isaac. I will give you this land, and your descendants will be like the dust of the earth." Jacob ran away, but he wasn't alone. God showed him a dream with a ladder reaching all the way to heaven. Even when we make mistakes, God still has a plan for our lives, just like he did for Jacob and Esau. Thanks for watching this amazing Bible story. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to come back for more awesome adventures from the Bible.